you. I don't wanna go without you, go without you. I don't wanna be alone. When we hooked up.
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Erica. I hope everyone's doing well. So let's just get right into this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a digital vision board using Instagram. So first you're going to go into the app, you're going to hit the creator button with the 2 A's, and now you can change your background if you feel, but I'm just going to go straight into the pictures and how you apply them to the backdrop. So you can change it to circles, stars, hearts. You can leave it as a square. You can make it a little round on the edges if you feel, but this is what you're going to be doing the whole time to make your digital vision board. Is you're going to be placing pictures, moving them. If you feel like something that doesn't work out, you can delete it. This way you don't have to waste money on buying paper and things like that. It's 100% free. But if you also want a handmade vision board, I have a video that should be up before this one or after, one of the two, but it's going to be on my channel. So I'm just going to let you guys watch what I'm doing, and I'll come back and talk through certain things. I also want to say you can get pictures from anywhere you would like. You can get it from Google, you can get it from Instagram and add it to your save photo icon, and then screenshot it, crop it, and then put it in your camera roll, and then transfer it over to Instagram as well. So in this part of the video, we're going to get into text. You can write anything you want. For example, I just put more YouTube videos as something. I'm going to show you guys a picture of my actual digital vision board at the end, but this is just so you get a feel of how you do it and how how you can create your own. So you can change the colors of the wording, whatever you like. You can even make it bold and bigger. You can add a backdrop to the wording if you would like. I did not show that here, and now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, girl, why didn't you do that? But I also have a video like this on my Instagram as a reel, so go check out my Instagram page at Erika, ERIKA.OX. I would say a digital board is better because you have so many options, and things that you don't have to pay for is the best part. It's free because Instagram is free, so you can create anything. You can search up a word and certain things will come up, with this YouTube icon. If you want more YouTube subscribers for the year, then you would put a video here, your number of how many subscribers you want by 2023 or 2022. You can switch it up any type of way. You can add certain stickers for following you and things, and you can even make this a video. It can be saved because some of the stickers move, so it can be saved as a video type of vision board in the back of your screensaver on your cell phone. It's so many options and opportunities and different things that you can do with this. So I definitely recommend making one, and also making a handmade vision board as well, just so you can physically see it every time you wake up, because then that tells you those are my goals and that's what I'm striving to get to, I was where the stash at? Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to give me 5 miles. I want to touch on something. These are the letters that you see that are very popular on TikTok and Instagram Reels when it comes down all the fashion girls. So this is something, if you want to spice up your TikTok or your Instagram, that you can do too beforehand, So definitely take some notes. Really easy to get this too. All you have to do is type in a letter and then they instantly come up. So you can spell out anything with these words. Disregard the vision board kind of being all over the place, because this is me just showing you guys an example. This is not me actually making another vision board. I just want to make that clear. I've been moving them out and steal it with me. Then he got the blues in the pouch. Took her to the forest, put the wood in her mouth. Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house. The private I'm flying in, I don't wanna fly again. I take my chances in traffic. She sucking on dick, no hands with it. I just made the rolling plane like I learned this shit. I'm a 2020 president candidate. I done put 100 bands on Zimmerman shit. I've been moving real good, so that's why she pick a grip. Shawty call me Crisco, cause I pop my shit. Got it out the mud. Okay, so this is the part where I'm going to show you how to change the background. Literally, all you have to do is type that little circle button where it was gray at first, and you can change your background to anything you would like. Well, technically, the options that Instagram gives to you. I'm not too advanced on how to change it to anything you would like. Maybe I have to watch a couple YouTube videos to learn that, but yes, you can change it to any background Instagram has. You're gonna click the little dots when you're finished and press save. This will save to your camera roll, so you always have it. So you would just double check after to make sure it's in your camera roll before you fully get rid of it. So yes, it's in my camera roll and it moves and everything. That's what I was talking about earlier, about you can even have a digital video.
In agreement, we vowed that we'd always be together, do whatever. We said that no whatever, keep between us, so that we'll never leave us. That was a while ago.